This is the year the cicadas invaded. Also referred to as locusts. You can hear... Oh, I got one on me. You can hear their buzz. See? See? Oh, there he is. Yucky. Can't see him very good. Ew, he's crawling up me. Yick. Go away. Go away. They're everywhere. Everywhere you look. I don't know if you probably can't tell it, but like you can see them flying through the air, thick as all get out. Look at this poor tree. I don't know if you can tell, it's a little dark, but they're just covering that tree. Well, most of those are just the shells, just the skins they leave behind. There you go. They're everywhere. So annoying. And that concludes the Cicadas Invade.